Welcome to Love to Travel, your ultimate travel companion, offering a vibrant blend of travel modes, destinations, and experiences. Join us today for an afternoon exploring Ronda, a historic mountaintop city in Spain's Andalusia region. Ronda is known for its cliffside location with a deep canyon that carries the Guadalquivir River and divides the town. The city and surrounding villages are included in the Sierra de la Nieves National Park. Our afternoon started at Alameda de Tajo, the city's park located on the edge of El Tajo. The park features several walkways, one of which leads us to the Plaza del Toro de Ronda, the birthplace of bullfighting with the oldest ring in Spain. From here, we continued down the narrow winding streets of this picturesque town and continued our journey towards the Jardín de Cuenca, a garden trail which leads to the Puente Viejo, a historic stone bridge crossing the gorge and the Guadalquivir River. The bridge leads to the Arco de Felipe V and is an integral part of the city walls of Ronda. The arch is known and honored in the name of the King of Spain, Felipe V. The archway is topped by three pinnacles which stand over the royal shield of the Bourbon dynasty. Once on the other side of the gorge, the Mirador de los Viajeros Románticos is marked by this beautiful tiled mural which honors the romantic travelers of Spain who have made marks on the culture and history of Spain with their art and writing. We crossed back over the gorge on the Puente Nuevo, or the New Bridge, built in the 1700s to connect the two parts of Ronda. The new bridge took 34 years to build. Building the bridge was a technological marvel at the time, requiring huge stone blocks being brought up from the bottom of the gorge. Once across the bridge, we arrive at Plaza de España, where you will find plenty of bars and eateries. The former town hall of 1734, now the Hotel Parador, houses a luxury four-star hotel typical of the Spanish state-owned chain of luxury hotels that are found in historic buildings throughout the country. The statue in the middle of the square is of Antonio de los Rios Rojas, a statesman and native of Ronda born in 1812. We continued strolling these enchanting streets of Old Town and wound back at the Plaza de España. To top off the visit to this magical city, we toasted with a jalappuccino at the Black Coffee Cafe. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures and travel hacks. Let's fuel our wanderlust together and make every journey unforgettable.